As classroom learning continues to evolve, Epson continues to bring teachers the power to reach students by creating immersive, laser-focused learning with low maintenance and exceptional color and brightness and easy connectivity. Introducing Epson's new low-cost line of laser projectors for education, our broadest line of classroom laser projectors yet. Equipped with solid-state laser light source, our new low-cost laser projectors provide a virtually maintenance-free laser light source. With laser projectors, there are no lamps to replace, ever. This new line also features 3-chip 3LCD technology to give you exceptional color accuracy and vivid brightness in any classroom. With best-in-class color brightness, Epson displays shine bright in rooms with high ambient light, and with laser technology, eliminate warm-up time with instant on display. The all-new Epson laser line includes reliable wireless performance with built-in Wi-Fi and Miracast. With easy wireless connectivity, teachers and students can quickly connect and display from PCs, Macs, Chromebooks, iOS and Android devices. With Epson's line of laser projectors, educators can focus on teaching with easily connected, big, bright, colorful images without worrying about maintenance. Epson, exceed your vision.